Hello students, in this video we will be learning how to install Ubuntu in your Windows. So for installation of Ubuntu we have to first install VirtualBox. So first of all we will go to Chrome and we'll write VirtualBox, and then we will select this and click on here, and here you can see the window that VirtualBox is downloading. Then open another window and type Ubuntu. Click here, then click on downloads. They always use LTS because it has long-term support, so click on LTS. It will be download, so it will take a while. Let's skip that. So now it is installed. I will open the VirtualBox, click on next, and here it is started. So I have stopped the video and restarted again and clicked on the finish. Now we have VirtualBox installed. We will click on new and then we will write Ubuntu. System will identify itself. We usually check it to the green, then click on create, click next, click dynamic. Here you can allocate space according to your need and you have, then click next. So we will be going to settings. In general settings we will click on bidirectional, then we will go to description, then systems processor. We will use 4 processors. Then the storage, click on empty, click on this disk and browse the CD you have installed. So click on the start and Ubuntu will start installing. So the window has, click on the install Ubuntu. So the CD is mounted and click on the install Ubuntu. Click the keyboard type and then press on continue. Check the install third-party software, click on continue. Here click on this erase window. It will not erase your window, but it is VirtualBox, so check it install now. And this is giving my direct location. Click on next, continue. Here you will write the virtual device name, give your password, click on continue, and it will take a while to install. I have skipped that part, and here it is. You have Ubuntu installed on your setup and you're good to go.